Let's see if it stays dry. Oh, commencing test. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So first for me, getting my face on camera, not just going through the GoPro, not hiding behind the helmet. I figured it's about time I did a proper video. So today's video, I've got to do a few hundred miles on the bike for work. So not great distances, but I've got to take clothes, laptop, you know, that sort of jazz. So I figured I'll expand my luggage a little bit, make it a bit easier, rather than cram everything in a backpack. So, because the Enfield's got the bars at the front, like a lot of bikes, like GS's and loads of others have got crash bars at the front, I figured I'll get some crash bar luggage. And then I thought, do I have to pay loads for it? Then I thought, should I get some off Temu? So I did get some off Temu. I'll put the details on screen now, but essentially they were about 35 quid, give or take. And actually I did get some money back, because between me ordering them and them being delivered, there was a price adjustment, so I got like £3.99, 4 quid back. So yeah, they've turned up, so I'm going to unbox them. But they're not in a box. If you've ever ordered anything off Temu, you know that the packaging is really hit and miss. So I'm going to get them opened, see what the initial thoughts are, and then I'm going to put them on the bike at some point. We'll go through seeing how easy that is. I mean, they should just clip on or strap on. I'm also going to put a t-shirt in them, spray them with a hose pipe because they're supposed to be waterproof, see how wet it gets or how dry it stays. Still stay positive. I've got the package, so we'll grab that, open it up and see what they're like. Okay, here it is. Look at that packing. Check that out. So yeah, this is what I mean by Temu packaging. Hit and miss. But let's rip into it anyway. Someone's had a go there already to rip into it, so yeah, let's have a look. I bet it's probably still quite difficult to get into, but let's see what we got. Initial thoughts. I think I'll speed this bit up. Right. Right, so actually, quite surprised. That was quite tough to get into. Should have used a knife or something. I didn't want to ruin my bags. So, packed in the bag that they came from the factory from. And then another one. On each look at that. There we go. That's good. Let's just have a look at one. Actually, I'm surprised actually. They feel alright. They smell like waterproofs. I mean, you've got all the tags. Moto Wolf. Riding and speed. The fast and the furious. Said no one ever about an Enfield. Clips look alright. I don't think you're going to get an awful... Oh, I wasn't expecting Velcro, actually. It's a carry strap. You can carry your things around. Okay. I mean, that looks alright. I know the back's a bit thicker. Presumably for the side of the bike. Doesn't look like you'll get an awful lot in there. I mean, spare pair of gloves, pants rolled up maybe, water, map, phone, I guess, yeah, okay. Well, let's get one on the bike, do a time lapse of that, see how easy that is, and then we'll put a t-shirt in another one and we'll get it wet and see if the t-shirt stays dry. Initial impressions though. Alright, clips look okay, decent enough, so yeah, let's see what they look like on the bike. Right, so from what I can see, it's not too bad. We've got, so, you know, you put your stuff in a minute, we'll do that shortly. Fold it down. We've got a little clip that goes over the top. Try my best to get this on camera. Clips into here, like that. And then, from what I can tell, these clips here are the ones we're going to be using to put it on the bike, onto the frame. So we'll do that real quick, and we'll do a bit of a time lapse. I've taken all my labels off. Taken all my labels off, my riding and speed, the fast and the furious, and my, oh, apparently this is a black and yellow one. Well, it's not, it's black. It's got a bit of an Italian flag thing here, so yeah, let's time lapse it and get it on the bike. It feels alright though, like, it feels quite thick and all the seams look okay. I guess we'll find out when we put something in and get it wet. So let's get it on. On. So, tried it again. Definitely was wrong the first time. So now it is right. So take it out the loops, around the frame, back through the loops, and then connect here. And then you can see it's actually got space for you to fill with stuff in it. So yeah, that was wrong the first time. My bad. Can't even fit luggage. So yeah, that looks much better. It sits much better. So I'm gonna see if it keeps stuff dry. Right, so this is one of my favourite t-shirts. It is just red, I know, but it's one of my favourites. So in it goes. Especially roll this way, I guess. Like that. Tighten down the clips. Oh, that's the wrong one. That's the right clip. Okay. And then you put this over the top if you were really riding. Okay, and that in theory should be 100% waterproof. So my t-shirt is going to come out bone dry. So let's move on to the high-tech scientific water test. Okay, I have the bag. I have the water source. Let's see if it stays dry. Oh, commencing test. Oh, I was facing a downpour on the bike today. Oh no, and I fell over as well. That was awful. Oh, I ended up in the river sideways. Oh, and back up straight again. Right, well there it was, absolutely drenched. So let's open it up and see if my t-shirt is wet. It feels quite slippy now. Quite a lot of soapy residue came off it. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. What am I doing? Let's undo the clip. It's quite slippy. I don't know why. Well, that is bone dry. Just my wet fingerprints on it. Look at that. Waterproof test passed. Actually, I come back and go, I'm genuinely a bit shocked by that, really. Yeah, I'm really surprised, actually. Yeah, good, waterproof. Well, I think I'll wrap up this video now. Let's do it in two parts. So this is the first part, just getting them on the bike, seeing if they're waterproof. Genuinely a bit surprised by the results of that, actually. Aesthetically, you know, I think they look alright. Certainly, you know, when you're whizzing down the road on your Enfield at, you know, anywhere up to 40 miles an hour, you know, they'll look fine. Capacity, I'll test in the next one, see how much I can cram in them, and I'll see what they look, you know, see what they like to live with on the road, and see how much they shake around, see if they get in the way, all that sort of jazz. But you know, so far pretty pleased. Again, I think they look alright. 35 odd quid, a few pound back for whatever reason, because Temu. Yeah, so thanks for watching. All the like and subscribe stuff that everyone seems to say, and I should probably start saying. Hit the bell to be notified on the next part, and stay safe.